Hi viewers, welcome to Chef Analton's kitchen. I'm in a backyard. A nice temperature outside today. It looks so beautiful and sunny. Actually, I'm going to make the Indian, typical North Indian dessert. It's called a rasmalai. Actually, rasmalai very easy to make, but a lot of people they are thinking, it's very hard to make rasmalai. But the truth is, it's not. It's a really very easy, simple recipe. Everyone you can make it in your home. Just follow the recipe and a simple method. So let's start it now. Rasmalai. So I set it up two pot here. So one for rasmalai, one for rabdi. So I have to make cheese for that. So that's why I'm using a 1 gallon milk. The other side I have a pot for making rabdi in that. So don't go away from the milk. Stir it continuously. The silver pot, making a rabdi in that. So I put very nice saffron and green cardamom also. So before getting a boiling point, take some vinegar and keep it ready. 8 ounce water, 8 ounce vinegar. So both I'm mixing, so both together I'm going to put it in the milk. Once the rabdi is getting boiling point, add some sugar. Milk is boiling. So I'm going to add the 1:1 vinegar and water and mix it. Cheese, split it separate. Turn off the fire now. Strainer, under that I have some big bowl and I'm going to keep the strainer. Then I'm going to put the cotton cloth or a very thin muslin cloth. Use it. And I'm using a strainer for the cheese. So I'm going to remove the cheese with the strainer, remove all the waters and just put it in the strainer. So this cheese only we are going to use for rasmalai. I'm going to use cold running water in the cheese because the cheese is very hot now. Get it cooled down. You can see the consistency, not too thick, make it like a semi-thick. Rabdi is ready. So now the cheese is also ready. So I'm going to show you how to make with the cheese rasmalai. After I made a paneer, I put it on weight on that. So now, it's more than 2 hours now. So I'm going to remove the weight now. The cheese is ready. See that? The cheese supposed to be like that. Very soft cheese now. So I'm going to make like a dough. So you can either use your hand or blender also. Make it like a soft dough. So with that we are going to make a cheese ball. Then we're going to boil the rasmalai. With a blender I made it very nice soft dough. You can see that now. When you make a chapati dough in your home, same like that, almost same kind of softness. It's not supposed to be like a lumpy. You can see that, very soft, soft dough. So like that, when you make it, the texture will be perfect for the rasmalai. So if you lose the texture, then the rasmalai, it won't come perfect. So now with that, I'm going to make a cheese ball. We'll go on step by step. I'm going to make rasmalai peda ball. Make it like a small ball, roll it. You can see that the top surface, you can see that nice and even, no cracked. So it should be like that. Then just press it on the top like a small baby idli, like a flat on both sides. Make it all the peda like that. Like rasmalai pedas are done. You can see that all pieces, same size. So make it like that. So now I'm going to do the next step. I have a very big pot here. With that, just water, nothing in that, just water. Boil it. Once get boiling point, so I'm going to add rasmalai peda inside. Now the water is ready. I can see that the bubbles are coming out. So I'm going to put rasmalai peda inside. one by one, and make sure in medium hot. And the other thing, you can do it batch by batch. Don't put all together. I can use it like a 15 pieces or 20 pieces. The water should be in medium hot. Let them on the top, and exactly 10 minutes the rasmalai will be ready. And I am going to place the cover on the top. Peda is getting ready. So meanwhile, I have some cold water in other pan, because once the peda is ready after 10 minutes, so I am going to remove the peda and I am going to put it in the cold water. 10 minutes done now. So I am going to remove the lid. Wow, we can see that. Wow, such a nice big piece. So the rasmalai peda is ready now. So I am going to remove from the water and I am going to put it in the cold water. Rabdi is ready now. So I am going to add some pistachio in that. Cardamom powder and pistachio and the saffron looks so beautiful. And the rasmalai also is getting ready now. Once the rasmalai peda is cooled down, then we will squeeze the water out. Then we will put that peda inside the rabdi. Peda looks so beautiful and spongy, like a cotton, like a spongy, so soft now. One pieces, press them gently and remove the water and put it in the rabdi. So do it all the pieces like that. Okay, drop it inside the rabdi. Wait for at least 2 hours. Then it can be served.
Perfect! Nice and juicy. If you like my dad's video, subscribe, like, and share. Bye!